Welcome to the Stat Tree Help video module for Winsorizing Variables. When discovering outliers in your data, it may be important to remove or replace extreme outliers with data that is less extreme, depending on the sensitivity of the statistical tests being used to test your hypothesis, such as an analysis of variance. Winsorizing is an appropriate extreme data replacement technique. To Winsorize a variable in your data in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane, browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window, as well as in the plot window. Examine the descriptives and extreme values for the original variable. Next, examine the box plot. You will notice that the outliers past the fence at value 2 are clustered at value 1. The list of extreme values provides the case numbers for those outliers. Next, examine the descriptives and the extreme values for the Winsorized variable. Next, examine the box plot. You will notice that there are no longer any outliers past the fence at value 2. This output may be useful in assessing the suitability of data for further statistical testing and may need to be reported in the Methods section of the research report. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.